Just not trying to be a hot mess express. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, my name is sydney.hydeia for you guys that do not know. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. I think it's on this side, that red subscribe button, so go ahead and click subscribe. I just got some new goodies and I wanted to go ahead and try them. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this, I don't want to say this wrong, EOS. This is a True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. I only put a little bit on my forehead because if you guys could see my forehead, you guys would be able to see that I have like three little bumps that just won't go away. So this gives my skin like a little, it definitely gives my skin like a radiant little glow. I'm just I'm going ahead and added this. It's kind of like a tacky feeling too, which is pretty good because you want your makeup to stick on your face. You don't want your makeup to be shifting, honey. So you guys, this is a new spray that I ordered from Sephora, and it's the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Maybe this will focus. Y'all, I got a new camera, so I do apologize. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Maybe if I put it back here. What? Okay, I'm gonna just stop. I'm just just gonna spray my face with this. Ooh, that he hit me by surprise, y'all. I love the way that this missed out though. Let me stop spraying. I only got the little one. I'm gonna get into some foundation. You guys know I like to use my NARS, and I'm just gonna put like 2 pumps on. I also went ahead and purchased the Fenty Beauty the Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I am late to the party when it comes to this one. I did want to color correct, however, especially like around my mouth, because my mouth is so much darker than the rest of my face. And I know like a lot of women of color deal with like hyperpigmentation, and I just deal with it heavily around my mouth area. It's like a little mustache. I'm just going to go with what I know first, which is the NARS, but you know what? No, I'm not even gonna put it on like that. I'm just going to dab. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender and make sure that I am coloring up this color corrector on my skin, guys. Now it is, I don't know about the shade for me. I ordered the shade 340, and guys, I know 340 is just so light. Like I would never. But I ordered it because I put in my shade Caracas on the shade finder on Sephora, and I should have known something was up, but it gave me that shade. So it's too light, like I can't do anything with that ever in life. So yeah, so that's why I will be sending that back. And I feel like this color really does look good and it matches really well. So I am getting a little glow. Hey glow, how are you? My name is Sydney. Okay, so not looking bad. I take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my, I need to stop being a hunchback. I need to fix my posture. So guys, here you're gonna see me putting on my concealer, and I'm just going to just carve out my brows. I'm gonna take this brush right here that I use to just clean up my brow. I have spent at least an hour back in the day on my brows. Now I do not know. If I don't like it and it takes too long, I will just wipe them off. I will take a makeup wipe and wipe them off. I have eyebrows, so they're just not as defined. I used to spend so much time doing my eyebrows because I barely had any. But now, oh, I got brows now, so I can just wipe you bad boys off and just go without. I'm gonna go in and take that same brush with that same concealer and just do the same thing on this eye. I'm moving on up, guys. You know, if you watched my last video, you saw me unbox the Canon T7i camera that I'm using today for this video. It's a good video. It's just me unboxing it, but you know, I like watching people unbox their goodies, especially when they are growing. So if you guys want to watch that video, I will link it down below. And guys, I have the newer ring light that I'm filming with, so that's why I'm lit up. I'm lit up like a Christmas tree, okay? That's the only reason, because I called myself filming with some natural light, you know, and my ring light, just, you know, better lighting. You know, more lighting is always good for me. But it actually started raining, so it's very gloomy outside, and I don't know if these are twins or sisters, or I don't know. Sometimes it just makes me not even want to continue doing my makeup, because I feel like, why do I look like crap every day? But I mean, they don't look too bad. This one looks a little bit, I don't know, bigger than this one. I have so many textures on my face, and I don't know what it is, because some days, you know, my face without makeup is just so good, and then I put makeup on and it's like, what? Okay, so I am done with that, because I can spend a year on brows. Why that dot's so much bigger than that one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. I'm not forgetting to blend it out. Guys, like I always say, you know, that's gonna make me look a little bit more pouty, so this is what I look like once I have put on, you know, everything. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and blend out my contour. So I'm doing my contour first, because whenever I am doing my highlight and everything, I can just go ahead and blend it, so that way it looks like really seamless. And that just helps me, because if my contour is too dark, which sometimes it is, I have had my contour be too dark and it just looked a hot mess. I'm just not trying to be a hot mess express. But if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a small YouTuber, and that would just mean the world to me, and that really just helps me. So if you guys could just go ahead and leave a comment, just a heart, a color heart. If you are here and watching the video, go ahead and leave that down below. And if you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This really lets me know like what type of videos you guys want to see. I'm all about makeup. I love beauty stuff and skin, and I will be doing hair stuff too, because I am natural, as you can see, if you didn't know. What have I not blended out? Oh yeah, that's contour. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out. Guys, if you wait too long, go ahead just and put your Fix Plus. I use my Fix Plus or any type of setting spray, and just give your face just a renew. I'm renewed right now. Okay, so I go ahead and I blend out this highlight. And guys, what did I tell you? When I did my contour, I was going to do my highlight, and it just blends like really well, and it just looks good. It blends so good. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. I don't know where I left off, but guys, I was blending out my highlight. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fenty. It's a setting powder. I believe it's in honey, and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna tap it. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna use some of the setting powder. I'm feeling myself because this is so good. It looks a little good. Let me stop feeling myself so much before I mess it up. So guys, now I'm just going to take my next bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze on my face bronzing up my skin, getting rid of the double chin. I'm so crazy. And I'm just putting some brown. It's the raw sienna shade. We're going for a very everyday makeup look, I guess you want to say. I don't know why I do this. I do this every time, and I go in with this red, and it just gives me life to go in with that red. I'm just gonna take Primavera on my fingers, and I'm just gonna put it on right here. The same brush that I did with my crease, and I'm just gonna take that burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna swipe it back in my crease. I'm just obsessed with this red color, and I just don't know why. I'm obsessed though. So right now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna throw on some blush really fast, and it's gonna be the Raisin from MAC. And guys, you know, when I actually went and got this blush, the girl was like, you know, you can like contour with this too, because it's so like a plum color, so you can go ahead and like contour with this. But you know, I'm not contouring, I'm blushing. So now that I'm done with the blush, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Love this spray. Where did you come from? Forgot to set my brows. So guys, I like to use the NYX Control Freak, as you know. So guys, I'm gonna take my highlight, and I just bought this highlighter. It is the MAC Oh Darling, and of course you guys will not be able to see it, but it's just really nice. And so I'm just gonna use this brush that I have right here. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to go ahead and take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Y'all, my lashes have grown so much. I'm not sure if you guys can see them on camera. I don't know how I feel about this lip. I think I'm about to wipe it off. Okay, so I think I'm actually just gonna go in with the gloss. I like this way better. So I didn't do the liner at all. I did not do a lip liner. I just put on the gloss, and I love it, guys. I really do like this. And my highlight is so cute. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you like this look, go ahead and subscribe down below. I know I've told you guys to subscribe at the beginning, in the middle, and now I'm telling you at the end. Go ahead and subscribe, girl. You will love all of the videos to come, I promise. Stay safe out there and stay pretty. Bye guys, see you later.